Well, anyways, I gotta go to the fidget hub. So guys, I'm here and I brought my puppet. It's like seriously so broken. It doesn't make even a sound. Both of them are bad sides, so I'm gonna scam somebody. And this looks like an amazing puppet, but I will do a little thingy. So first, I have this thing. I'm gonna put my puppet in here and there. Training puppet going once, twice. Me. Can you please offer? Okay, then what's your offer? It better be good, because you know I'm not trading this amazing, legendary, like never found except me puppet. Okay. Okay, so my offer is these and this. This is actually a blue mini puppet, so yeah, this largest puppet in the whole wide world, but not the whole wide world. Small yellow. I'll give you 2 of these because these are amazing. And I will give you this week's legendary fidget. It's a chocolate puppet. What do you think about this? You are seriously so rude to me. Like, you have to offer like 100 more things for this. It's like so good, and it has like suns and mangoes and cactus surrounding it. You can play with it. Like, oh gosh, squishy as well. Oh gosh, it got exposed there, but yeah. Okay. I will add this ball, this stress ball that you cannot squish. Let me see. Now I'll give you this pouch full of poppets. It's a deal, I guess. Takes out poppet. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Let me take all this. Oh, I'm so excited to squish this ball. Wait, what? Why is it not squishing? I guess it's a bouncy ball. What was this? It's filled with rocks. Ew. What about this poppet thingy? Whatever. Wait, she actually gave me a poppet for this? I feel so bad right now. I think I'll just give her the blue thing and tell her that I'll give her stuff back because I know it's not here. Hey, I'll give you all of your things back. And even keep the blue thing. I know I scammed you. I'm so sorry. Wow, that's really nice of you. Well, actually, let me tell you a little secret. Sure. What's your secret? So actually, I am this undercover. I'm actually the leader of this whole thing. I actually started the fidget hub, and I just wanted to go undercover and see who would feel bad for me and who would scam me. Well, scam me at first, but then you're saying sorry, so you can keep this and all of the things I gave you, because this just was a test, and yeah. OMG, thank you so much, you're the best. No problem, have fun. Now I gotta go. Poof. OMG, where did she go? Well, that was weird. But anyways, I got all these things from just saying sorry to her. That's amazing.